Now, if you guys remember, we built a pretty crazy Mercedes S-Class a little while ago. In front of me here, we have a beautiful Mercedes S580 that is receiving a forged carbon variant to what we built a little while ago. We have over fenders that we have to put on here that go over this arc and the rear arc. An all new front hood. We have this beautiful bumper that is going to go on the front end of this car with all new grills that go into these clips here. This is already painted. We're waiting for the hood and then the reassembly process, and this thing will be all ready and hopefully be there for the Cars and Caviar event January 11th. Now, because this Mercedes S580 is a wide body, we do have to modify the fenders or the wheel wells. Now, what's a big plus about this body kit is because usually with wide body packages that have the add-on flares that go over that aren't replacements, you usually have to cut the original fender and then put the add-ons over it. With this specific kit, all we have to do is modify the inside of the wheel wells here. As you can see, it's a little bit thinner so that when that over fender goes on there, there's no issues with rubbing. You drive this car and over time there's no issues at all, and bonus points because we don't have to actually cut the fenders, we just have to modify the insides. Cool feature about the over fenders is that every single piece is carbon, so that you're not getting cheap parts, you're getting real quality carbon pieces that hold up very well and they look absolutely amazing. The rear end of this Mercedes is coming together very nicely, with this kit being an add-on and replacement kit, with some of the pieces coming off and getting replaced, and then majority of the parts that are being installed are add-ons. We did the regular carbon weave a little while ago and that car sold incredibly fast, so I have zero doubt that this car is going to sell just as quick. Forged carbon is now becoming very popular. Forged carbon was not a very popular option, but a lot of people now are liking that forged carbon to give it a different look and a different style from your regular average carbon. What's really cool about these over fenders is that they actually hide the modifications that we made very nicely. Even though they are clean underneath, it makes it look extra clean. As you can see up in here, the fenders do not end where my fingers are. They actually wrap underneath into the inside of the wheel well, creating this very clean and flush look with the fender. It's small touches like those on these wide body kits that make them extra special. It gives the fenders a much cleaner look, as well as providing a lot more width in the OEM. As you can see how wide that is compared to factory. This side is completed right here, as this side is still getting installed, but you can kind of see the difference in the width that these over fenders give. Since we modified the wheel well with this added width, there should be no issues with the driving capabilities. Of course, we're gonna put absolutely massive 24-inch wheels on here to give that big body look. And of course, they're gonna be from AL13 or MV Forge. We work directly with them. If you guys are looking for a set of wheels, give us a call because we will get you with the proper set of wheels from the best company.
You like it?
No, yeah, that is
cold, man, this morning at Cars and Caviar.
Any excuse.
You should be in the streets of New York right now.
Good, man. How are you?
Good.